So this video is going to show you how to do a few of the diagnostic problems that are organized by objective. So let's go ahead and start by looking at this problem, which is an objective 1 problem. It says connect evidence about speed to EK and height to EG. At moment A, the skater is not moving, then falls from a certain height and lands on the ground. At moment C, the skater is not moving on the ground. We have some evidence here, not moving, falls from a certain height, lands on the ground, in the description. We also have evidence in the drawing that he's not moving up high and not moving on the ground. The way these questions work, we are given a bar chart for moment A that is correct, and then we have to choose a bar chart from these 4 available options for moment C, as shown in the picture. So an objective 1 question is about, can you connect evidence about speed to EK and height to EG? So let's try that. This moment A says 0 kinetic energy, and he's not moving at moment A. Looking down at the options, I can tell my evidence shows me that he's not moving at moment C, so I need to choose a bar chart that shows 0 kinetic energy at moment C. This option 1 doesn't work because the green bar is up here at 4. This option 2 doesn't work because the green bar is up here at 2. And option 4 doesn't work because the green bar is up at 2 also. In fact, answer choice number 3 is the only choice that could be correct when I look only at the evidence about speed. Going over to these notes, which I talk about a lot, this is just a photograph of a student's notebook from last year. And notice step 1 says add boxes and X's for EK for all moments by checking evidence about speed. If you were to do just step 1 for this problem, if you had your notebook and you were reading it while you were taking the test, you would get this right by choosing option 3 because it's the only one that shows correctly how to use evidence about speed. Let's look at another one. At moment A, the skater is moving downwards some ways up the track. At moment B, the skater reaches his highest point most of the way up the track at the same height as moment A. This at the same height as moment A is really useful evidence, and I can see it in the picture. But since we're using our notes, let's try doing step 1 first. Let's check evidence about speed. Again, I know moment A is correct because it's always given here. And he's moving, which is consistent with some kinetic energy. Looking at moment B, I can tell he's not moving, so I'm looking for a moment B bar chart that has an X for EKB. This could work, looking just the green bar. This couldn't work, so I know answer choice 2 can't be right because kinetic energy isn't 0. This one could be right because the kinetic energy is 0, and this one could be right. So I finished step 1. I still haven't eliminated all the wrong answer choices, but I eliminated 1, which is good. So I have to choose between 1, 3, and 4. Let's go back to step 2. Add boxes and X's for EG for all moments by checking evidence about height. So I know that at moment B, the height is the same at moment A. I know that I've got 2 bars of gravitational at moment A, therefore I need to have 2 bars of gravitational energy at moment B. This answer choice 2 doesn't work because I've got 4 bars instead of 2. That would mean that the height has gone up, which it has not. This answer choice also doesn't work because it shows 4 bars at moment B. So 2 is wrong for 2 different reasons, and 3 is wrong for the height reason. What about answer choice 1? I guess this would mean an X that the skater's height has actually gone down. And that's not correct because, again, the height is the same at moment B as at moment A. So this one can't be right either. And I know that the only correct answer choice has to be number 4 here because the height at B is the same as the height at A. Therefore, the gravitational energy needs to be 2 bars, at moment B if the gravitational energy is 2 bars at moment A.